Wolves asleep amidst the trees. Bats all a swaying in the breeze. But one soul lies anxious, wide awake, fearing all manner of ghouls, hags, and wraiths. For your dolly Paul sleep has flown. Don't dare let her tremble alone for the witcher.
So you want to be a witcher? Alright, well, you're going to need to know how to make provisions if you're going to survive even one night. I'm only showing you this once, so pay attention. Get the oven hot and put your empty baking tray in it. With some melted butter, grease your ramekins. And coat with caster sugar. Tip out any excess. Bring a pan of water to boil and place a bowl with dark chocolate and cream over it to melt. Once melted, remove it from the heat and cool slightly. When it has cooled, mix in the egg yolks. Next, whisk the egg whites until they hold their shape. Gradually add sugar over a minute until it retains its shape again. Take a spoonful of meringue and mix it into the chocolate mixture. Then gently fold in the rest, keeping it light. Quickly but carefully deposit the mixture into the prepared ramekins and clean the edges. Turn the oven down slightly and place the soufflé onto the baking tray. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes until risen with a slight wobble. Whatever you do, do not open the oven door. Whilst the soufflé is baking, start making the sauce. Put the cream and sugar into a pan and bring to boil. Immediately remove from the heat and pour into the chocolate and butter. Stir to help melt the chocolate. Now, to make the potion, measure the liquids into a glass with ice and shake. Add the glitter, strain the concoction, into a jug. Make sure the glitter has completely mixed in. Decant into the respected vials. And give them a shake to activate their magical properties. Once the souffle is ready, pierce a hole into the center and pour in the chocolate sauce. Not bad for a rookie. Keep at it, and you might be worthy of the Witcher title. If you enjoyed this lesson, then be sure to subscribe if you already haven't. Leave a suggestion for something you'd like to see. And if you're feeling generous, you could toss a coin to Video Game Meals with Patreon or here on YouTube. Thank you for watching.